around all day, baling some hay and stacking it all up. Can't wait for the sun to go down, roll into town, shine the old truck up, swing by the quick stop, grab a couple Rocky Tops, then ease on out your way to your place around 8 o'clock. Well, I'm just ready to ride this Chevy down a little.
Windmills.
The windmills of Canada.
The wind turbines.
Alright, so we just got across the border. We're on our way to Beaverton, Ontario, Tim Hales Fish Huts. Hopefully we can lock up some fish and show you guys a good time, so stay tuned.
Shotgun shack on the edge of town is where I'll be when the sun goes down. Big money bird dog barking out back, wouldn't trade a man for a Cadillac. Kinda wanna pay my old dirt road, went to the courthouse, said hell no.
It's a country thing, it's a fish on a string, Mary Jane chomping on a chicken wing. It's a tire swing on a riverbank. It's the way we talk, it's the way we sing. It's either in your blood or it ain't. It's a country thing.
Know my girl since she was 14. She's the first runner-up to the Hard County Cotton Queen. She was raised on cornbread, purple whole peas. She turns them heads at the feeding sea. She rides in the middle of my four-wheel drive, got a honey hole way back in the pine.
It's a country thing, it's some cut-off jeans, painting her toes on a porch swing, sweet like sugar cane. Come a good rain, I'll make a little love while the tender sings. It's either in your blood or it ain't. It's a country thing.
Fish on, good fish on.
It's a country thing, barefoot and crazy, fried grain tomatoes, that's a sawmill gravy. Take pride in working hard for a living, pray before meals, it feels good giving. Back to the needy, greedy is not us. Thank God for it, even if it ain't much. That's how it does it down here in the mud. What else can I say, y'all, it's in my blood.
It's either in your blood or it ain't.
That's how it does around here.
Yeah, it's either in your blood or it ain't.
Come on, y'all.
It's a country thing. It's a country thing, country thing.
It's just a country thing.
I get some wings, man. Those motherfuckers good.
Good weight.
So we're just gonna bring all the fish back home?
Good. I mean, we might as well bring some back. We're not going to eat 100 and some fish tonight.
Oh, that's a keeper.
Oh, fuck it. You got me. Hold on. No. What do you mean?
They small.
Oh!
Oh!
Not today.
Now I'm nervous. Nice job, pal.
That's what we got in the Lake Simcoe.
I'm nervous.
It's a dinner size.
It's a dinner size. It's a keeper.
Dinner for two?
That's a keeper.
Here we go. That's a nice canal fish.
No, it's bigger than a canal fish. Yeah, get that net. Where's that fucking net?
Get the net. I might have got the first keeper of the day.
Flip it in the frickin' thing.
Oh, you're stuck on my line. Oh, fuck. Here, get the net.
Dude, I can't. Some.
Grab it. I got a keeper.
Here. Here.
You fucking cow.
Oh, this is a nice one. This is not.
What about that net, Dylan?
I thought he was good. He's not bad. Sorry about it.
When you got a rocking chair on your front porch, tip it back. When you Got a Georgia Bulldog ball cat, tip it back.
Nah, I thought he was nice.
When you're parked back off a dirt road in your girlfriend's Cadillac, find that button on the front seat and tip it back. Oh yeah, yeah. If you had a long day or a long week, grab a long neck if you're with me. Well, come on now, holler hell yeah, 'cause tonight we're here to party. And don't worry about anything except what's in your glass, whether it's a cold beer, tequila, or a double shot of Jack. Yeah, all you need to do tonight is tip it back.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, when that
You're gonna
bar
start to throw in
key
your fish,
brings a
Ryan.
change, just tip it back.
Ryan, don't pull on it. Oh, it's off the fucking thing.
When you're two-stepping with your baby, man, tip her back. When you don't get paid next week, but you need some drinking cash, find that coffee can stash and tip it back. Come on, yeah, it's a long day or a long week, grab a long neck if you're with me. Come on now, holler hell yeah, 'cause tonight we're here to party. And don't worry about anything except what's in your glass, whether it's a cold beer, tequila, or a double shot of Jack. Yeah, all you need to do tonight is tip it back. Put that bottle to your lip, take a sip, man, tip it back. Well, tie a chair, stem knot with your tongue, girl, tip it back. If you like a pineapple, coconut, or rum, baby, tip it back. Come on, baby. If you got a homegrown moonshine flask, y'all tip it back. Come on. Yeah, if you had a long day or a long week, grab a long neck if you're with me. Well, come on now, holler hell yeah, 'cause tonight we're here to party. And don't worry about anything except what's in your glass, whether it's a cold beer, tequila, or a double shot of Jack. Yeah, all you need to do tonight is tip it back. Yeah, all you need to do tonight is tip it back. Yeah, tip it back. Yeah, tip it back. Alright.
Lake Simcoe. Got a little soaker right there.